everyone, this is Nora from SONACME. Today, I'll show you how to operate our temperature and humidity test chamber. Super easy to follow. Step 1. Connect power correctly. Live, natural, and ground wires. No mistakes. Then turn to the main power. Step 2. Connect the water. This is inlet, overflow, and drain port. We just need to connect the inlet port before you start. Then we install the sample sheet. Height is fully adjustable. Important tips: our temperature protector and emergency stop, keep them safe and functional. This is the isolation switch and USB port. After power on, just remember this free key function for beginners. Operation settings, running mode, power restart, and so on. Default settings work great. Monitor screen, most usually used, sets temperature and humidity here. Program settings, for advanced use, create multi-steps, temperature and humidity. Need data? Check history, curve, view, and explore records easily. If there's an alarm, don't panic. Open the alarm menu to see the issue clearly. In system settings, you can switch language and set passwords and schedule startup. That's all for today's guide. Like and save follow along next time you operate. Want to know more? Follow SONACME.